Eva and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you why your metabolism slows down. But before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. Alright, let's get started. So everybody has heard that, once you get older, your metabolism slows down and, everybody older than you is like, oh well, yeah, I used to eat like that when I was younger too. And yes, it's true, your metabolism does tend to slow down as you get older. So it is easier as you get older to gain, some weight, and it's harder for you to get it off. So yes, muscle loss and being less active are going to contribute to this, but there is a natural aging of your metabolic processes, and this obviously contributes to the lowering of your metabolic rate. So today I'm not only going to explain to you why this happens, but I'm also going to be giving you tools and ways to kind of combat this and change that. So first, let's do an overview of what is your metabolism. So your metabolism is all of the kind of chemical processes that occur that help to keep your body alive. It also determines the amount of calories that you burn per day. So if you have a higher metabolism or a faster metabolism, then you're going to be burning more calories. So there are 4 factors that influence the speed of your metabolism. Number 1 is your resting metabolic rate, or your RMR. This is how many calories that you're burning while your body is at rest or asleep. It's the least amount that is able to keep you kind of alive and functioning. Number 2, I know you've heard me mention this before, is your TEF, or the thermic effect of food. This is the amount of calories that you're going to be burning as your body is just digesting its food and absorbing. This is usually 10% of the amount of calories that you burn per day. Number 3 is exercise, so this is just how many calories you burn through exercise. Number 4 is non-exercise activity thermogenesis, which I know you've heard me talk about before. That is NEAT. And this is how many calories that you burn through non-exercise activities. So that would be like standing or household chores, like washing your dishes or fidgeting around or whatever that is. That's still burning calories. Now, the other things that will affect your metabolism are, of course, going to be your age, height, muscle mass, and hormonal factors. So have you ever heard the expression, if you don't use it, you lose it? Well, that's really true here. So as you get older and things start slowing down and you're not doing as much, you're not doing any more activities, you're not working out, you don't do any type of exercise, that's going to play a huge, huge role here. Over a quarter of Americans aged 50 to 65 don't have any type of exercise other than them just going to work. And then if they're not working, come 75 and over, this number increases to about a third of Americans. So staying active can help prevent this drop in metabolism. Now, does that mean you have to be, crusty and old and like you need to go do a HIIT workout? No. But like, for instance, both of my grandmas, like, they don't stop. One is 75, one is 80s, you know what I mean? And they're perfectly fine, good health, walking around. My one grandma doesn't stop cooking and baking. My other grandma doesn't stop cooking and doing her gardening. They're always active and doing something, and it's way better for them. Their metabolism is way higher. They're able to walk around and do things. Like, I'm telling you, I know other people's grandparents, once you start sitting down and not doing anything, like, it's true. If you don't use it, you lose it. Muscle loss is a really big thing here too. People are living way longer now, right? So there's research that shows that once you hit 80 years old, you have 30% less muscle mass than you did when you were 20. And once you've hit your dirty 30s, then you're going to be losing 3 to 8% every 10 years of your muscle mass just naturally, if you're not doing anything to stop that. Sarcopenia is what's known as the loss of muscle due to age. And that's what leads to, like weakness and those fractures and early death in some of us that get older and, have these falls and different things happen. This also slows down your metabolism because having more muscle mass actually increases your resting metabolism. So the opposite would have the opposite effect. So yes, being less active is a huge factor, and that's the one thing that you really have a lot of control over. But there are other factors too, like if you're consuming, fewer calories, less protein, you're producing, of course, less hormones and less estrogen and testosterone and growth hormone and all that kind of stuff. And like I said, your metabolic processes do slow down with age too. So yes, your cellular components become less effective with age, but your muscle loss and your loss of activity definitely contribute to your lower metabolism more. So now you're going to have to stay tuned for next week's video, where I give you the 6 ways that you can help prevent the kind of slowing down process of your metabolism with age. But that is all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss out on my videos. And share this video would really help me a lot. But as always, if you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes right to your inbox, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!